Hello everyone! In daily life and business applications, bar scanners have greatly improved our work efficiency. So how do we choose the right scanner products according to the needs of users? Next, let us share with you more relevant information. Supermarket chain. The first application field is supermarket chain, such as large shopping malls, supermarkets, convenience stores, individual grocery shops. This RD scanner in my hand is MJ9520. It is easy to use, just plug the cable. Then it can read common, commodity barcodes and mobile phone payment codes, such as WeChat Pay, Alipay, Apple Pay. Another one is ED-CCD wired scanner. The cable is plug and play. No need to install any drivers. It is user-friendly. It can read ED product codes and the payment codes on mobile screen. The difference between these two scanners is that ED-CCD can only read ED barcodes, not RD barcodes, while the RD scanner reads both. Next coming is our RD desktop barcode scanner MJ9520. This model is more powerful on decoding capability, and its reading speed is much more faster than a handheld scanner. It can also read the barcodes on mobile payment screens. However, the cost of desktop scanner is higher than the handheld readers. Users can choose according to their budget.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, and for any questions, welcome to leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching.